What's up guys, welcome to the part 3 of modeling a planet. In this video we're gonna add more nodes to our material to look pretty and beautiful. So Shift A, search for the mapping, and you wanna connect mapping to texture's coordinate but from object right here. Yes, I know we got two mappings, but wait guys, we're gonna add more nodes right here. So Shift A, you wanna search for the noise texture, and Shift A, you wanna search for the math node, and you wanna change this to the subtract and connect factor or color right here. It depends what kind of effect you wanna have, and you're gonna need mix. So go add color and mix color, and you wanna connect right here mapping to the first color and this noise texture with subtract to the second color. Give my PC a couple of hours guys. Come on, you can do this, and right here, done. And you're gonna have more distorted kind of stuff, and you can repeat this with different texture. I'm gonna show you. With Voronoi texture, you're gonna have this kind of like black dots on the planet if you want. Yes? So I can show you what basically the noise texture is doing right here. And you can adjust the scale, yes? What kind of distortion you want to have on your planet, and detail, and of course the roughness is right here. So I'm just playing around with the values. I got something like 4, 2, yes, and distortion if you want to have more distortion kind of look on your planet. This is your kind of choice, what kind of value you want to play. And of course I can just preview by Control Shift and left click on the Principled BSDF, and I got more kind of pattern on my planet, yes, more detail to it, and it looks cool. So what next? You can just repeat this with the Voronoi texture, and I'm gonna show you very quickly. So you just add Shift A, Voronoi texture, and you just connect in right here this mix color to the Voronoi, and Shift A, you're gonna need color ramp right here, because we're gonna switch the values. So I'm just connecting right here to the color ramp and click right here to flip the colors. If I'm gonna just select right here, you may PC 1 hour guys. As you can see, I got this pattern, and I can just cut this off, yes, if I want, bam, to have those dots and play around on the pattern whatever I want in my planet, yes, to add more detail. And once again, you're gonna need mix color. So Shift D, you can duplicate this and connect right here, and just connect the color on right here. And if I'm gonna just click on my preview, my Principled BSDF, and you can repeat this process to add more patterns on your planet, but too much is, you know, it's not good to. Wait guys, here my PC 1 hour. As you can see, it's lagging. So I got those kind of dots even too, yes, those kind of wave patterns, mix noise texture patterns, yes, and I got all the controls on my color ramp, on my Voronoi texture. If I'm gonna change the scale, as you can see, I'm just adding some pattern on my planet. Let's go, yes, and I can just play around on the right here color ramp to cut this pattern or to add, you know, more kind of stuff. And once again, play around on the settings, yes, on the detail, on the roughness if you want, yes, but more kind of, I don't know, effect, whatever effect you wanna add, yes, to your planet. So there you have it guys. You just add in, quick repeat, subscribe if you like this content. It's gonna help my small channel. We're building an army right here. We're gonna take over the world, okay? That's a joke. Textures coordinate, I think, yeah. Mapping, and you just connect this to the right here mix color, to the first color, and noise texture. And once again, I can play around with the noise. As you can see, I'm just adding more pattern of the clouds or whatever you want to call it, yes. And I can add whatever value I want. I got 7, 2, you can see. Add subtract, so math node, change it to subtract, leave like that. Or you can play around too, but leave like that, 0.5. This goes to second color, and Voronoi texture, connect right here, mix to the Voronoi texture, and right here the color ramp. and switch the values if you want to cut, or if you don't want to cut. But my suggestion, just switch the value. As you can see, I can just play around, guys. This is the idea. You just add patterns after patterns to create this kind of cloud look on your planet, yes. And Voronoi texture goes to the color ramp, guys, and this goes to the color mix color. This mix color to the first color and color ramp to the second color, and this just go to the mapping. And you can once again repeat this process to add more layers. Subscribe. We're taking over the world, guys. Bye, guys.